In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall iMovie on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. And now on the left side, select General. And then on the right side, select Storage. Scrolling down this list, locate the Application section and then select the little I with the circle inside of it. And then locate iMovie from this list. And then once you've located it, select that and then select the delete button at the bottom. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.